new series I'm calling Daily Java with Jax. So a basic introduction to this series is I'll spit out a random piece of Java knowledge and I'll explain what it is and why you could use it. Today, I'm going to teach you the keywords of how to make a method. So you probably know that usually when you're making a normal default method, you'd use the keywords public, static, void, main, or not main, any, and then the name of the method. And then you put parentheses. Inside those parentheses, you put the parameters if you had any. Outside of the parentheses, you put curly braces. And then inside the curly braces, you put a new line so you could write your code inside there. But why do we have public, static, void? Those are keywords. You can see if you have, syntax highlighting, it's probably going to become orange. So you probably know it's keyword. And they're like, what do they mean? And here is why I'm here to explain. I'm here to explain. So public is an access modifier. If we have like another class, if it imports from there, even if it's in a different package, it's accessible to that method. If we had different access modifier or private, nowhere else in the entire program could it be accessed other than the same class. Static is one copy. So since it's one copy, it knows exactly which one you're talking about So if instead of having to write an instance of a class dot that name of the method, you could just say the name of the method to call it. And finally, void, pretty simple, it's the return type. So in your code, in your curly braces, you would have return and then some random three or some random string like double quotes, hello. Those would both give you an error. There's an integer, a string. You would have to say public static int or public static string. But since it's void, we're not returning anything. So in your code, it can't have a return type, or it could say return, but it couldn't be anything else. So that's your daily Java with Jax.